Hello everyone. If you watch this video till the end, you will find a special code hidden somewhere in the video. I will be uploading 10 videos in the next 10 days, and in each video, 3 lucky viewers will get a special gift. To participate, watch the full video carefully and find the numbers hidden inside. Comment the number you see, and stay active on the channel. Also, people who like, comment, and share the videos the most will have a higher chance of winning. So stay tuned, watch till the end, and good luck to everyone.